If you are considering Relay Bank for your business, one of the first and most important questions you will ask is simple. Does Relay Bank actually cost money? In this video, I will explain Relay Bank pricing, fees, and what you really pay as a business owner, based on real usage and clear facts, not marketing hype. Relay Bank is designed specifically for small businesses, startups, freelancers, and growing companies that want a modern online banking experience. One of the main reasons people are drawn to Relay is its promise of transparent pricing. So let us start with the most direct answer. Relay Bank does not charge a monthly maintenance fee. You can open and maintain a Relay Bank account without paying a monthly subscription. That already puts it ahead of many traditional banks that still charge monthly fees, unless you meet certain balance requirements. Now let us talk about account setup. Opening a Relay Bank account is free. There is no application fee, no onboarding fee, and no minimum balance requirement to get started. This makes it attractive for new businesses or entrepreneurs who want to keep costs low in the early stages. Next, let us look at transactions. Relay Bank allows unlimited incoming transfers and internal transfers at no cost. You can move money between your Relay accounts, such as checking and savings, without paying any fees. Incoming ACH transfers are also free, which is important if you receive payments from clients or marketplaces. Outgoing ACH transfers are also free. This means you can pay vendors, contractors, or service providers without worrying about extra charges per transaction. Many business owners underestimate how quickly transaction fees can add up, so this is a major advantage. Relay also supports wire transfers, but this is one area where fees apply. Outgoing domestic wire transfers typically come with a fee. The exact amount can change, but it is generally in line with what other business banks charge. Incoming wires may also have a cost depending on the situation. If your business relies heavily on wire transfers, this is something you should factor into your decision. Now let us talk about cash. Relay Bank is an online-first platform, so it is not designed for frequent cash deposits. Cash deposits are not directly supported in the same way traditional banks handle them. If your business is cash-heavy, you may need a secondary bank or a workaround. This is not a fee issue, but it is a cost consideration in terms of convenience. Relay Bank provides debit cards for business use, and these cards are free. You can issue multiple debit cards to team members at no additional cost, which is useful for expense management. There are no card maintenance fees, and standard card usage does not incur extra charges. ATM withdrawals are another area to understand clearly. Relay does not charge its own ATM fees, but the ATM owner may charge a fee. Relay does not reimburse out-of-network ATM fees, so if you withdraw cash often, those third-party fees could add up over time. Relay also offers powerful tools like expense tracking, receipt capture, role-based access, and integration with accounting software. These features are included at no extra cost. You are not required to pay for premium access just to use basic business tools, which is a big plus for small teams. So, does Relay Bank cost money? For most businesses, the answer is no for day-to-day banking. There are no monthly fees, no minimum balances, and no charges for standard ACH transactions. You only pay for specific services like wire transfers or third-party ATM fees. If you are a startup, freelancer, or small business looking for a low-cost business banking solution, Relay Bank is one of the most cost-effective options available right now. However, if your business handles a lot of cash or relies heavily on wire transfers, you should compare those costs carefully before making a final decision. In summary, Relay Bank keeps costs simple and predictable. You are not paying just to keep your account open, and you are not being hit with hidden fees for everyday banking. That transparency is exactly why many business owners are switching to Relay. If you are comparing business bank accounts and want to avoid unnecessary fees, Relay Bank is definitely worth considering.